Hello everyone, welcome to part 27 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. Here I am, I'm Walt, and I'm giving you part 27 today, which is all about willpower. Now the idea of this one's pretty simple, that so many of us say we don't have willpower, we don't use our willpower, and so we don't really create it. And a lot of these principles about motivation really stem back to being able to create it and use it ourselves. So being able to just kind of pull on the strength of will here, to use our own willpower. Now, I have my own theories about the subconscious mind, about how our subconscious mind can motivate us, strengthen us, that even if we have a really weak conscious mind, but then we have a really strong subconscious mind, that can make a huge difference in our life. Well, forget that for a minute, and let's just talk about strengthening our conscious mind. Our willpower is really our ability to decide to do things and really to back it with energy. Now, the energy that is really backing it with, the kind of motivation, the kind of things that really spur from that, can really be strengthened by the subconscious mind. If we use affirmations and visualizations and all those kind of techniques properly, we can really get a lot of motivation going from the subconscious mind all the time, regardless. But if you want to skip that for a minute, when it comes to actually creating a lot of your life and to making things happen when you haven't properly conditioned your subconscious mind, work on conditioning your subconscious mind. But some of that's just a strength of will. So you kind of just take leaps of faith, leaps of, things that don't always just follow logic, into saying, okay, you know what, I really want to do this. And some of that really desire, that kind of belief that you can do it, is going to stem from the subconscious mind once more. But a lot of it also can just be, once you have that information, choosing that you're going to go after it, that you're going to continue to program your subconscious mind around it, that you're going to put energy into it. So if you don't put energy into anything, if you don't go after what it is you want, then really you're not actually going to get it. Now, we always have these stories about the great basketball players either being people who just worked out all day, who practiced 12 hours a day, and that's how they got to be great. Or they're videos about people who were just a prodigy, who were born great and, born everything like that. Most people don't end up doing that whole path. We don't have this, we're not all just prodigies or people who work to death, okay? You can work a small amount and have not be a genius at all and really succeed at so many things, as many people in history have. Some of the greatest successes have not been the brightest of people, such as George Washington. He was no dummy, but he wasn't exactly brilliant. Yet his skills about being able to take the great advice from all these people around him, even people of very oppositional opinions, and make them work together and really kind of get good ideas from those people, really made him one of the best presidents we've ever had. So that kind of stuff, really creating our willpower, regardless of our circumstances, regardless of what we've been through, just kind of going out and being willing to say, yeah, I can do this. So when you really use that, it's like working out a muscle. It grows stronger and stronger and stronger, and eventually it becomes an extremely strong muscle. So let's work out our willpower. Let's give it a shot. Let's become stronger. That's about it for this video, guys. I will see you next time with part 28. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.